Hello sweetest beauties, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, welcome. This channel is all about natural hair, China vlog, lifestyle and many more. This football is about a competition between Chinese students and foreign students in my school, okay, and this is the final day of this competition. Actually, this football competition was a tough one because the Chinese people that the foreigners are playing with are also a tough one. They know how to play the game very well, so it wasn't easy for the foreigners too, but now at last the foreigners won. They played the Chinese team 6-0, so 6 for the foreigners and 0 to the Chinese team, but all of them played very well. They really tried in this game. It wasn't easy. So later on we went to a place to celebrate this winning and it was full of fun. Please relax, there are so many things that you're going to enjoy in this vlog. Hello guys, these are all Nigerians. As you can see, we are enjoying ourselves. You can see this handsome guy. Okay, let me show you guys the place. Okay, how it looks like. I need to get my parcel here and then I'll move over to the next place to get another parcel. So guys, this the one I collected. I have a lot of parcel to collect today and I will check another place to know if they have something for me. I bought a lot of things from online shop, so some of them arrived today. I've already collected one. You can see the place that we do collect our parcel at the back. There are so many places. I will also show you guys. Okay, so let's go. So many places like this place. All these places are the place that you can collect your parcels in the school. So here you can see a lot of people parcel here. They said that the parcel that I bought, they have already returned it. I don't know, it's just the message they send me just 3-4 days, and they always say that if you did not take your parcel after at least it's reached like 4 days before they return it, but it hasn't passed 4 days, so why are they telling me that they have returned it back? Like, and I bought a lot of things. Right now I don't even know which one they return. I have to go back and start checking all the ones that I received and the ones that I did not receive. So he's still checking inside to know if it's still here or to be sure if they have returned it back. My God guys, today the sun is too much, very much. If you look outside you see the hotness of the sun today, like it's too much, and I want to go outside to collect something, but I don't know how I'm going to do that. Let me just show you guys how sunny today is. Look outside here, you will see, just see, very sunny. I bought a lot of things that I need to show you guys. Okay, a lot of things, all the things that I bought. I can't even remember all of them, what I bought. Like, hey, this is where my money I wasted my money for last month. Will I call it waste? I bought things that I need. I'll not definitely call it a waste, but kind of. But when I'm looking at it, it's just like, oh my god. So this is where I put all my money. Okay guys, let me just go out and see if I can manage the sun. Okay, and when I comes back, I will do the unboxing things for you guys to see everything that I collected, all my parcels that I collected from the shipping company. I hope you stay tuned and enjoy this video to the end. Guys, I'm back, yeah, with this little parcel, and this is biscuits. I bought shortbread biscuits from online because I was like, it has been long, let me just spend my money and buy some shortbread. Okay, this is what I'm saying. I spend a lot of money this month buying all sorts of things online. I don't even know. Anyway, let's go and do the unboxing. Okay, let me show you guys all the parcels that I collected. Okay, so let's go and open up our parcel. Yeah. And this Schoolometry, in case if you don't know or you have not been watching my video, I'm a student and I'm living in Schoolometry. So all these places that I'm walking through is university dormitory. Okay, so right now I'm at my door. We're going inside so that I can show you guys all the parcel that I received, all the parcel that I collected this week. Okay, so we're going right now to do unboxing. See you there. All right guys, these are the parcel that I received. Let's open them all to see what are there. Okay, this one is fenugreek. You can see this is fenugreek seed. I love using fenugreek seed on my hair, and also I love to drink fenugreek water, like making tea out of it. So this is fenugreek seed that I bought. I don't know, I thought I purchased two. How many grams did I purchase? 500 grams, 750 grams. Oh, this is 750 grams of fenugreek seed. Alright guys, this is aloe vera. I use this aloe vera for my hair, and I also eat aloe vera. Okay, don't worry, I'll make a video on how to eat aloe vera. Please guys, what type of milk do you like to use in China? If there is any other milk that you think that is better than this Nido milk that you love to use, please write the name on the comment section so that I will search for it too. My morning tea is complete. Okay, my morning tea is complete. This is palm oil. I've been seeing this. I was like, oh, what a package. I love the package. Let me get this palm oil. I don't know if it's okay for me to. I don't want this to stain my. It smells so much like real palm oil. Okay. Can't wait to put on this top. Okay. I bought this top online. I think it's nice to do a tuck-in shirt. I love the hand, how they do the hand. I don't know what they call this. Okay, but here is kind of elastic. the two hands are kind of elastic, so I love it. And the neck has this tie that I can tie like this. Okay, so oh my god, this is another dress. Is this not big for me? I bought size L. This is size L. Hey guys, I thought that I'm done with unboxing and I look at my back and saw three more parcels left for me to unbox. Recently, I started thinking about getting all these hard copy books to read, and I got these two, Think and Grow Rich and Mindset. So I will start first with these two, and later I will get more of these books. So this is hot meat, the cooking. This is the back. I bought this from an app called Pinduoduo. Not so many Chinese app that you can purchase something, but the one that we often use here is Taobao and Pinduoduo. I purchased this thing from Pinduoduo. I bought it around between 130 to 140 UN. So guys, let's test this and see how it works. Okay, and this is the socket. Cloth that I bought, so I want to put it on to show you guys how this cloth looks on my body. Okay, this one is size L and this one I think is size M. I think this is size M. Yeah, this one is size L, this one is size M. Okay, so I'm going to put these two cloths to show you guys how it looks on my body. Okay, these are among the parcel that I opened. You can see it on my unboxing while I was unboxing the parcel that I received. These two cloths are among the parcel that I received. Okay, so let me wear it so that you guys will see how it looks on my body. Okay.
Oh my god! Wow!
Okay, let's go and put on the clothes. Okay, yeah. Come, let's eat this biscuit. And please, if this is your first time coming across my video, coming across this channel, welcome. Thank you so much. This is a family where we talk about hair, where we talk about other things, lifestyle, China vlog, and so on. Okay, relax and watch my other videos. Welcome to my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button, the notification bell icon, so that you'll always be notified each time I upload a new video. Subscribing on YouTube is free. It's free. It's just like how you follow people on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. It's free. You don't pay for it. Please, please, please. If this is your first time coming across my channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, put on your notification bell, and I would love to see you again next time on my